Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the Generative AI series. Okay, so slowly the world is moving towards the AI. So in the all the fields now, AI plays a very right important and vital role. Right, and the current industry, everything is moving behind the AI. AI means artificial intelligence. Okay, it is a system is used to design to create any content or data. Okay, that resembles the human work. Okay, right, the human the it replaces the human in creating a content or a data. Okay, so we can produce a text or images or video or some music. Right, now in all movies, right, lot of movies AI generated videos is coming. Actually, we see lot of pictures, right, in right Facebook or Instagram. Right, we see a lot of, right, the people who pass away, right, they create images of, right, like that we see lot of, right, contents and images, right, we see through with the help of, right, generative AI. Okay, so it is a model where, right, some we learn on some patterns, structures, and relationship from vast amount of input data. Okay, so that is what is the AI. Like the generative AI, it is in all the fields. For example, right, hospitals, right, right, you see in stock marketing, right, in content creation, right, in filming, right, videos, photos, right, everything, right. So all the generative AIs in testing, right, in automation testing, right, it really helps a lot, right. So to, right, suppose I want to send a mail, right, I want to create a PPT or presentation or text, right, all the fields, right, generative AI is trending upon, it's booming upon. So, okay, there are a lot of demands for, right, AI. Okay, so AI, generative AI has some architecture. Okay, so first it will be an application. There are a lot of applications, right, in the for the, right, generative AI. Okay, for example, there are text generative generation application like ChatGPT, Jasper AI. Okay, an image synthesis, right. There is an, right, applications like stable diffusion. Okay, and for code generation there is an application called as Copilot, and audio and music there is an application called a jukebox, right, and audio LM, right. And for video generation there are applications like Silencia, Runaway, Gen 2. Okay, a lot of applications, right, are there for generative AI. Okay, and with the help of prompts, right, with some keywords or prompts, right, we can, right, we can create our own content. Okay, or image or video, right, whatever. Prompt plays a very important, the right prompts, right, keywords, right, that is what, right, we need to create, right, whatever thing we want. Okay, and next one is, right, foundation model. There are a lot of models, right, right, in the generative AI. Okay, so foundation model, it refers to the large scale and pre-trained deep learning model. Okay, so it serves as a wide range of downstream tasks. Okay, so these models are, right, it helps in the large massive, right, data sets across the diverse domains. Okay, for example, right, you have OpenAI, GPT, Google Pert, right, there are a lot of, right, wide range of applications which is used for the under the foundation model. Okay, then the large set of data where, right, we get and extract the data based on our prompt. Okay, so this is a general architecture of the generative AI. So what we are going to learn is, right, in this coming series of videos, right, how to use testing, right, with the help of generative AI. Okay, from the basics, right, right, all the testing life cycle, how you are going to use it with the help of the generative AI. That is what is a series which are going to follow in this series. Okay, so in the testing, right, this is about theory. From next video we'll see, right, practical session also. Okay, so in testing life cycle we have to test the OCR means optical character recognition. It's a technology that enables to extract a text from an image or a scan document. If we want to extract a text, right, we can do with the help of an OCR. Okay, and it also helps in predict the failures. Okay, to discover new test case and do risk based testing and classification of defect. Okay, we can write test case, create a test shoot and correlate it. Okay, we can test, do a test runs, integrate with CI/CD. A lot of things we can do with the help of, right, generative AI. Okay, and what are the features we have in the generative AI is, right, AI driven test case generation. First, right, we can drive, create lot of test cases. Okay, and we can do test optimization. Okay, so we can discover new and make our test very optimized one. Okay, and it has an intelligent test execution, right, feature. Okay, and it has enhanced defect analysis and reporting. So we can, right, build lot of reports, and defect analysis can be done with the help of, right, generative AI. And we can do maintenance of testing, maintenance and monitoring, right, that can be done with the help of the generative. All these things are the different features, right, which can be, which has the generative AI. Okay, next is what are the benefits, right? Test coverage is improved, efficiency is improved, enhanced bug detection. A lot of bugs can is detected with the help of generative AI. Okay, and software development is accelerated. Okay, speed up, right, in the fast, right, software development helps in the, right, that is also one of the benefit of an generative AI. Next one is, right, testing gen AI applications, right? What are the, where are and all is used, right? We saw a thing, and we are going to again see a little bit deeper here. Okay, it helps in requirement analysis, understanding the objectives, writing use cases, writing right data testing, finding right data with the help of tools and domain experts. Okay, and identifying functional test cases and non-functional test cases. Both you can do. You can generate secure test cases. You can generate mobile test cases. Okay, API test cases. We have put a lot of videos on this, right? Functional test cases, non-functional test cases, usability test cases. Right, we can generate a lot of test cases here. Okay, and it has, right, you can generate impact test cases. You can integrate with CI/CD tools. You can execute with the, right, trigger the job with the help of CI/CD, and generate results and, right, analyze it. And, right, you can also see how, what are the areas which can be improved. Okay, so all these things we can do with the help of, right, Gen AI. Okay, that is generative AI. What are the tools, right, for regression testing? Okay, these are the tools which you can use for the regression testing, like apply tools, test IM, right, mabel and functionize and test.ai, right. All these things are the lot of tools there, but these are the tools for the regression testing. We all know what is regression testing, right? So gen AI helps in the regression testing there, right. It has a lot of tools where we can do the regression testing. Okay, and, right, what are the use cases which we can do in automation? For example, finance, right? Told about stock marketing. Well, I told, right, it helps in finance, right? It helps in content creation, it helps in image generation, it helps in marketing. Okay, it helps in customer service, telecalling, right, all the customer service, and it helps in writing the code. Okay, all these use cases we can generate with the help of the Gen AI, and we can do with the, right, the automation. Okay, so all these things can be achieved with the help of the Gen AI. Okay, and benefits of generative AI is, right, good quality control, right, supply chains are better, enhanced security. Okay, and, different language translation can be done, creating content, right, personalizing experience, improving data and customer support. Okay, so it helps to generate test cases, okay, in different tools, different scripts. Okay, and it can be integrated with GitHub and, GitLab also. Okay, so these are all the uses, and there is one tool called as stress rigger. Okay, where we with the use of keywords we can write manual and automation test case. So these are all the basic introduction of Gen AI. Okay, from next video we'll see the practicals. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.